CBs. What's up, guys? This is my 2004 Craftsman LT1000 mated to a 36-inch snowblower by Sears, I think from about 1993. I scored this snowblower attachment for $50 on Facebook Marketplace, and I thought it was complete. And for the most part it was, but I did have to do a little bit of tinkering just to get the thing hooked up. Down here in about the center of the attachment, there's supposed to be a bracket that bolts right to here, but that was not included with the snowblower. So I cut this piece of steel, bolted it on there, and threw another bolt down there to hold it in place. I also didn't have the helper springs that came with it, so I found these guys at a local hardware store, and I put them on a chain, and then I cut this L bracket right here out of an old bed frame angle iron, bolted it on, and then stuck it through with a pin. And I did the same thing on the other side here, so it lifts nice and level. And the lever over here to raise the machine up didn't have the extension, so I found myself an old curtain rod, cut the end off. Voila. It also came with wheel weights and chains. I know, $50. And clearly I don't have the chains on yet, but we're going to run it and see what happens. All right, clearly I need the chains on. All right, let's try that again. Well, it was blowing really well until the auger belt slipped off and the auger stopped turning. So, gonna get back in there, put it back on, figure out how to tighten it up, and try again. But just wanted to show you guys my new setup. Hopefully, I'm gonna get it perfected before the winter time's over. Get some good snow blowing in. Thank you guys for watching.